Decoding Iridescence, the Nicobar Pigeon's secret. The Nicobar pigeon often fades into obscurity. When discussing pigeons, it's just not as widely recognized as its common counterparts. Yet, what this bird lacks in fame, it more than makes up for with a truly remarkable visual characteristic: iridescence. Unlike the muted tones typically associated with many other pigeon species, the Nicobar pigeon boasts plumage that shifts and shimmers with an almost metallic sheen. This isn't just a subtle sparkle, it's a dynamic display of color that changes depending on the angle of light and your viewing perspective. The feathers contain microscopic structures which refract light in unique ways, producing these vibrant hues of green, purple, and bronze. It's a mesmerizing effect, truly unlike anything you see in most other pigeons, and something that demands a closer look. Iridescence in the Nicobar pigeon isn't just about vibrant colors, it's a fascinating display of physics at work. The shimmering effect we see isn't due to pigments within the feathers like with many other birds. Instead, microscopic structures, tiny layers and ridges, are arranged on each feather barb. These act like miniature prisms, splitting light into its component colors. As you shift your viewing angle, these structures reflect light differently, creating a dazzling spectrum of shifting blues, greens, and purples. It's almost as if the bird is constantly changing color before your eyes. This phenomenon allows the Nicobar pigeon to appear far more colorful than what simple pigments could ever achieve. Take a closer look at those iridescent feathers. They're far more than just beautiful to behold. The shimmering effect you see isn't simply due to pigment, it's an intricate interplay of structure and chemistry. Each feather is composed of layers containing melanin, which provides the base color, and keratin, the protein that forms its framework. But what truly makes them special are these complex arrangements. Think of them as tiny, natural prisms. As light hits a Nicobar pigeon's feathers, it's split and reflected in countless directions by these microscopic structures, creating that captivating iridescence. It's a remarkable example of how nature utilizes simple components to achieve such stunning visual effects. What you're seeing isn't due to pigments like in many bird feathers. Instead, the vibrant iridescence of the Nicobar pigeon's plumage is a fascinating example of structural coloration. Think of it like this: the feather barbules have microscopic structures that act like tiny prisms and mirrors. These structures manipulate light waves, bending, reflecting, and scattering them in specific ways. It's not about what's in the feathers, it's all about how they interact with light. Different angles change how we perceive those colors, creating a shimmering, almost ethereal effect. This means that even though the underlying structures might be quite simple, the visual result is incredibly complex and beautiful. The color you see isn't inherent to the feather itself, but rather an illusion created by the way light dances across its surface. The iridescent sheen on a Nicobar pigeon isn't just pigment, it's an incredible optical illusion created by the way light interacts with its feathers. Notice how the colors shift and change depending on your viewing angle. It's a breathtaking display of natural artistry. This effect comes from the microscopic structure of each feather, which acts like tiny prisms. The arrangement of these structures isn't uniform. It actually changes along the length of the feather itself. This variation creates different color reflections, leading to those stunning gradients of green, purple, blue, and bronze that we see. It's a beautiful example of how complex biological designs can produce such dazzling visual effects. The vibrant iridescence on a male Nicobar pigeon isn't just beautiful, it's likely vital for finding a mate. Scientists theorize that these shimmering feathers, the way they shift and change color depending on the light, are key to courtship displays. Imagine a male puffing up his plumage, showcasing this dazzling effect to potential partners. He's essentially putting on a show, hoping to impress a female with the quality of his genetics and overall health. It's a visual signal, broadcasting his fitness in a way that simple calls or gestures couldn't achieve. The more vibrant and complex the iridescence, the more attractive he appears, increasing his chances of successful breeding. This elaborate display isn't just for attracting mates, it plays a crucial role in how these pigeons interact with each other. Within a flock, males constantly assess their position and relative strength. These vibrant displays, the puffed feathers, the rhythmic cooing, the strutting become visual signals in this ongoing competition. A male exhibiting a particularly impressive display is essentially broadcasting his dominance, demonstrating to others that he's a force to be reckoned with. It's also a way of communicating health and genetic fitness. A bird that appears vibrant and robust is likely possessing good genes, making him more desirable both as a mate and an authority figure within the group. Think of it like a peacock's tail, but nuanced and integrated into everyday social interactions. What's truly fascinating is how a young Nicobar pigeon's plumage changes over time. You might notice that juvenile birds don't display quite the same dazzling iridescence as their adult counterparts. That shimmering effect, those vibrant greens and purples, they actually develop gradually as the bird matures. It appears this brilliance isn't just about genetics, it seems to be linked to experience. Through repeated courtship, displays, and interactions with other pigeons, the iridescent feathers become more pronounced, suggesting that maturity and learning play a crucial role in developing these spectacular visual signals. The shimmering beauty of the Nicobar pigeon isn't just about the pigments in its feathers, it's also heavily influenced by the environment around it. Think of it like this iridescence is a trick of light, and how that light interacts with the feather structure determines what we see. Humidity plays a significant role. Higher humidity can soften the colors, making them appear less vibrant or shifting their hues slightly. Similarly, the angle and intensity of the sunlight dramatically affect the perceived color. A pigeon bathed in direct sun might display a far brighter, more intense iridescence than one shaded under forest canopy. These subtle changes mean that no two views of this bird are ever exactly alike. Each moment presents a unique visual experience, adding to its allure. The Nicobar pigeon's courtship display is truly remarkable, a captivating dance of physics and biology working in perfect harmony. The male's ability to precisely control these massive pinnae, those incredible ear-like structures, isn't just about visual appeal, it's a demonstration of physical mastery. Each feather is meticulously angled, creating a complex system that manipulates light and sound. They vibrate with an audible hum, amplifying the male's calls and contributing to a mesmerizing, almost hypnotic effect for the female. Biologically, this display serves as a potent signal, a testament to the male's health, strength, and genetic fitness. The precise coordination required suggests exceptional neurological control and muscular development. Observing this intricate performance truly emphasizes how evolution has shaped this species into something genuinely unique within the avian world. And it underscores the vital importance of protecting its fragile habitat.